I really still don't think I need to be wasting my time to do a full head because it's gonna wash out.
So much going on, but I wanted to stop in real quick and share with you a product that I've had for a while but never tried for retwisting, and that's Lock and Twist. For those of you that have been around the channel for a while, you know that my ultimate favorite locking or retwisting product is Caribbean Kinks gel, and I also use the Texture ID styling mousse. But I did buy this some time ago and just wanted to give it a try and hopefully give you guys my impressions as well. So it definitely has a similar texture to the Caribbean Kinks, that edge control texture. I was kind of playing around with it to see which one, like any differences on the surface level, like how they feel. And this one actually feels a lot lighter than the Caribbean Kinks. So I'm a little nervous about the hold, but I'm also excited that this probably won't give me buildup because this one doesn't, and it's a lot heavier. But anyway, I'm only retwisting my first couple of rows because we're gonna be seeing friends and family that I haven't seen in a while, and yeah, I figured I can spruce up my look a little bit. So much loose hairs that are just going out of the lock and kind of doing their own thing. All right, that's not perfect, but it is what it is. I'm gonna take a pony holder, and I saw this method before where you just kind of retwist and then slip the hair into a pony holder. So that's what I want to do. All right, so I have been watching some reviews and they were suggesting that you do this on dry hair. So, yeah, I don't know. My hair has been moisturized with some water and then sealed with the Phytonaturals aloe and avocado oil. I don't know if I'm super big into parts, but if I'm gonna do a retwist, I try to be as neat as possible, but it's not an absolute necessity. So I'm dipping into the product. It comes out pretty clear. This is probably a lot. Jeez. I was researching that with this product, people were complaining that they felt like they had to use a lot in order to get, like, I guess, the hold they were looking for. Like, I don't want to have to use a lot of anything, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I was actually able to move through rather quickly, but I felt like showing you guys the opposite side would probably be more beneficial. I definitely struggled with knowing how much to use of this product in order to get a good hold, but also prevent buildup. I'm just showing you guys my technique here, adding the product. Again, so unsure of how much to use, but then just wrapping those loose hairs around the lock, and then finally doing a palm roll and then slipping that lock into the ponytail. So this is definitely a method to use when you're just not interested in using clips. Scalpy, but look at the difference, guys. Like the new growth hair and then how flat it looks. It's just a different look. Okay guys, I'm all done. You can see it looks kind of... I did add some clips in for those pieces that were just too short to fit in the ponytail. Crazy. I think I like it. Caribbean Kinks just has a way better smell, but this one doesn't smell bad. It just smells very neutral. Like, it's not perfumey, it's not floral, it's like a blank smell. Just very neutral. I'm hoping that there's a learning curve with this because I just felt like I needed to apply more than I normally would with like the Caribbean Kinks, because the Caribbean Kinks, it just glides on your hair, even if it's, you know, dry. It just glides on your hair. This one, if you don't have a lot on your hand or on your finger, it doesn't glide through your hair at all. But from what I was reading, you're supposed to use this on dry hair, or you get the best results on dry hair. So yeah, I like that the first ingredient on here is aloe vera juice. And for Caribbean Kinks, it's water. So, and then they have other natural oils and whatever else in there, but guys, it's some kind of, it's not, I don't want to say it's 100% natural just because of the texture. It's so edge control-y. But we'll see how it holds up. I'll probably come back and let you guys know. Up now. Up now. That's my alarm. I gotta go. Okay guys, this is super quick, super fast. I'm on day, when did I do this? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Day 4 of this retwist, and it's already unraveling, which is fine. I feel like healthy and normal because the hair moves, the hair grows, whatever. What I'm not liking is the fact that I'm getting some residue on certain locks. I don't know if you can see that, but there is definitely like a white cast going on. And I think a lot of my unraveling is happening, maybe user error, right? Like just not knowing the right amount of product to use on each individual lock. I'm not a big retwister. Another thing is that I've been going in the shower and letting the steam hit my hair like I normally do. And I think that is probably causing my unraveling at a little faster pace, but I'm okay with that because I'd rather my hair get the moisture than try to upkeep a retwist. So I don't know, I kind of feel like if it's not broke, don't fix it. The Caribbean Kinks has been working so well for me whenever I get in the mood every blue moon to do a retwist, and I think I'm just gonna stick with that. I'll probably still hang on to the lock and twist for my daughter, maybe when doing her hair. I heard it's really good for braids and keeping it all together and kind of frizz free. So yeah, I don't know if this is going to be a repeat product for me. It's definitely not going to be a repeat purchase. But if you've used this product in the past, please let me know maybe a technique that has worked for you, or wet versus dry hair working for you. I'm just really curious. I'll maybe be able to snap some pictures of how I styled it over the weekend. Nothing big or serious or it's what I kind of expect from a retwist, but I know that I'm trying to at least make this last until Easter weekend, which I don't know if it will, but I'm not washing it until after the weekend. Easter weekend is over, so you know, whatever happens, but I'm not excited about this product, and I'm a little concerned about buildup in these areas right here. I can honestly say that also I was probably a little bit more heavy-handed at this juncture in the retwist product process. But yeah, lock and twist, tell me your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.